Hey everybody, this is Connie with the Artisan Company and welcome back to the channel. Well, today we're going to look at some new bead companies. Pardon my dress here. I'm in the middle of multiple things today, but we're going to stop today to look at some new bead companies. That was one of the things I purposed to do this year is check out new places. And so every month and a half or so, I'll have a new video out of someplace new I've tried or someplace that I've reviewed before, but I found something really amazing. So anyway, let's just get started and let's just see what's on the desk. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna do this company first, so it's one because it's one I've never done before. And then I've got two companies I've done a few months ago, but I found some really beautiful beads from them, so I thought I would share what I had. Okay, this first one comes from Intrinsic Trading. Intrinsic Trading, and it came packaged beautifully like this. And then when I take it out, let me set this over here. Excuse me. It was bubble wrapped in bubble wrap, and then they had it in packaged in a package. And this is the company, intrinsictrading.com. Shipping was very fast. Packaging was good. The beads are stunning. So let's look at those. I only ordered two things from this company because it was brand spanking new for me. Some of you guys probably order from them all the time, but I didn't know. All right. So the first thing we got here is a beautiful natural purple heart wood. And oh my goodness, guys, look at this wood. Of course, purple heart and cedar are two of my favorite woods as far as color in the beads. But oh my goodness, look at the variance in these. Oh my, that is stunning. It's a deep, almost a deep rose color. And these are a 10 millimeter, and it is a 15 and a half inch strand, so almost a 16-inch strand. And they were $7.99 for the strand. And oh my husband's grandfather used to make things out of purple heart, and they were just stunning. So anyway, these are the natural purple heart wood beads, 10 millimeters, $7.99. Aren't those gorgeous? I cannot wait to put these in something. Oh, let me set those there. Okay, so this little thing right here was not cheap, but oh my goodness. Okay, this is rare natural purple mica. Okay, natural purple mica. And we know mica, is one of those things that sometimes can be kind of fragile. But look at these. They are thick rondelles, thick. You can see the thickness in them. Look at that. And look at the gradient of the color. Oh my goodness. This is these are also 10 millimeter, and they're a 15 and a half inch strand. These were $28.99 for this strand. But look at this, guys. The weight of it, I wish they could do weight television, like smell-o-vision. But the weight of it is just beautiful. Oh my goodness. And look at the you got white to this dark, dark, dark purple. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful stones. And all the inclusions in it are just, they catch the light. They almost look like fractures. Stunning, stunning. And they feel good in your hand. Okay, so this is the natural purple mica smooth thick rondelle wheels for $28.99. Okay, so both of these things came from Intrinsic Trading. I have been on their website again looking at some other things, and wowee. I would buy from these guys again. Okay, So there we go with those two with that. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so the next one I have ordered from before, and it's Teja or Tejas beads, Tejas. It came in a box like this. I have to say, this company right here really does pay attention to their shipping. They really, really do. They put them in heavy boxes, not just in envelopes. You can see how this was wrapped when I got it. So beautiful. I've never had anything broken. So this company right here, let's put the box over there. Okay, the first thing I ordered was an Australian lemon chrysoprase, and I had to pull these out because I had to make a piece of jewelry out of this because I just did a pair of earrings with this stone. But this is the 6 millimeter Australian lemon chrysoprase, and look how beautiful. It's $8.95 for the strand. Is that not gorgeous? Oh my goodness. And it's got so many variants of color in it. I chose to pull out a different color, so I used a little bit of coppers in here. But look at the stunningness of this bead. It looks like ice cream. Oh my goodness. It is beautiful. There's a little matrix in it right there. But yeah, here's my necklace that I made with it. I love it, love it, love it. The earring slabs that I got to go with it came from Stones and Silver, and they were this color right here, almost this mint, not a mint, but it's a lemony color, but it's kind of it's not your yellow, it's kind of a green yellow. It is absolutely stunning. But that is the lemon chrysoprase. It's a 6 millimeter, $8.95 for that. Okay, and so let me get this out of here. And then the other two came in this little baggie. And this one right here is a matte, 6 millimeter matte blue aventurine stone. And look at that. Is that not gorgeous? 450, guys. 450. Cannot beat that. Look at the difference in the variance in the colors. You have some of this really dark blue right here into this color blue, into this light, almost pastel clear blue color. Beautiful matte finish on them. Love this. 450 for the strand. Cannot beat that. Cannot beat that. Okay, the next thing I ordered from them is it's a synthetic stone. It's not a real one. It's synthetic, but it's called Blue Mystic Aura, and it's a 6 millimeter. Look at the color, guys. My eyes popped out of my head with this. Oh my. But the color on this just, it's amazing how when you're looking in the stone, I don't know if the camera can pick this up or not, but when you're looking in the stone, it's almost like there's a sliver of blue inside the bead, and it reflects to the outside of the bead. You know what it reminds me of? Those paperweights that we used to have years and years ago, and I don't know if they still make them or not, but my daddy had a paperweight that was kind of a dome with glass dome on it. Anybody remember those? You know how the picture in the bottom kind of reflected on the top? Well, that's exactly what this is doing, and it is stunning. This strand was only $3.50, and I probably should have bought about 6 of these or 7 of these just so I could make a big cluster necklace because these are stunning. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is Blue Mystic Aura. That's the name of this one, Blue Mystic Aura. And this one is the Matte Blue Aventurine. And this one is the Australian Lemon Chrysoprase. So all of these came from this company right here, Tejas Beads. Love it, love it, love it. This one was $8.95, $3.50, $4.50. Can't beat that. Wow. let's move to the next one. Okay, so this next company I have bought from this person for a long, long time. And this is, I've showed these people before, and this is Stones and Silver. And I order a lot of my stone earring slabs from here because the cuts on them are absolutely stunning. And this package that came today is no different. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let me move this to the side. Because I did order a lot of large earring slabs. She packed them a little differently this time, and she packed them in an individual package like this. But she put her business card in there to support them, which I think was just brilliant. Heidi, that was brilliant. Okay, so this first thing, y'all, I am just stoked about these slabs for earrings. And she does base uh, all of her most, now I'm not going to say all of it, most of her turquoise is US based. So if you're looking for United States turquoise or turquoise from Mexico, she is a beautiful place to find those types of things. She does also carry turquoise from the Hubei mine out of China, which is also just absolutely stunning turquoise. It's all turquoise. But she does focus on US based mines, which I love that because I do a lot of Southwest native style jewelry and I like my turquoise to come from US mines if possible when I'm doing that. So let me get this little guy out and I'll be back. All right, I got it out. And this first stone right here is called Sci Fi Jasper, like a movie. Sci Fi. It's Sci Fi Jasper. It's an earring slab. It's a 16 by 42 millimeter. And this stone comes from Mexico. And I love the fact that she can tell me probably 95% of the time where country that it was mined from. And I love that. It is important to my clients and it's important to me. So I appreciate that, that she does that. But look at the beauty. Oh my gosh, look at the cut of these. And look, it matches right there. It's got that cut line, right? I mean, the little matrix in there. And look at all the matrix in here. They look like little upside down mountains almost. But oh my goodness, 16 by 42 millimeter. Stunning Sci Fi Jasper. These are $24.95 for the set. Okay, let's look at the next one. These right here are purple moss agate cabochon pears. And if you are a person who does silversmithing or goldsmithing or anything like that, she has some stunning, stunning cabochons. Okay, so these are purple moss agate cabochons, and they were on sale for $8.99, and couldn't leave them there. So I thought, all right, I'm going to grab these. But oh my goodness, aren't they gorgeous? These are about a, let's see here if I can look right here. They are about a 45 millimeter long that way and about a 10 across stone, but they are beautiful. I think she still has a few more of these left. I know she has some of the Sci Fi Jasper. So let's move to the next one quickly. This one right here is, oh my goodness, this is the Thulite stone, which is out of Norway. And yes, they have found a few deposits here in the US and a couple other countries, but the main part of this stone comes from Norway. And it's actually mined in a specific place in Norway that you have to hike to get there. It's not like they can just pull in all this equipment. You have to hike to get there. But this is the natural thulite stone from Norway. It was $24.95. for these stones. And oh my goodness, I had a smaller pair of ovals earlier, but I sold them. But this stone is beautiful. Look at the matrix in there. Oh my goodness. And she taped it on the back to hold the pieces together in shipment. But oh my goodness, look at that. 24.95 for the set through light stone. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I got some stones left to do a necklace to go with this later. Okay, let's go to the next two. Okay, this, guys, is Red Creek Jasper. It's a 12 by 46 millimeter stone. They were $16.95 for this set. But my stars alive, look at the matrix in this stone. That's the reason why I couldn't leave it there when I saw it. I was like, this rusty, obviously, color in here. But look at the green. It's almost like a leaf inside the stone. This is stunning. Oh my goodness, $16.95 for this pair. You cannot beat that. She does have some others on there too, and you just need to go check it out. Beautiful, beautiful stone. I cannot wait to make these into earrings. It's like, but the last thing I bought here is going to really knock your eyes out. And I love turquoise anyway. But look at these guys right here. Oh my goodness. This is Kingman turquoise out of Arizona. This is a 22 by 45 millimeter stone right here. Is this not stunning? Does this not knock your eyes out? Oh my goodness. Look at the matrix and look how it was cut. Look at the beautiful matrix going there. Look at that right there, matching right there. Little spot here, little spot here. Oh my goodness. My eyes popped out of my head when I saw this. So this was not cheap by any means, but beautiful. These were $49.95 for these slabs. She does have other slabs of turquoise earrings, large ones, 4 earrings, or if you want to do it for something else, whether a pendant or whatever. Um, she does have some also that are a little less expensive than this. She has smaller ones that are like this size, so she's got all different kinds. Kingman number 8 is one of my favorites, and she has a lot of number 8 right now. So if you're looking for number 8 turquoise, um, go look. But anyway, Kingman turquoise out of Arizona, big earring slabs, 22 by 45, $49.95. So here we have them all. And this is Heidi White's store. Stones and silver, stones and silver. And I buy from her quite often. She's fast in shipping. Most of the time, they go out the same day. Um, Once in a while, something will get broken in the shipping, but she usually will replace it or refund my money if that happens. But it's rare. So I can't say enough about this company. So I love them. Heidi, I love you. Okay, hope you enjoyed this. Please go check out these companies, Stones and Silver, Intrinsic Trading, and who was the other one? Tejas Beads. Yes, go check out these companies and see what you can find. I will see you on the next video. Bye.